have the 7 stitches, and now we may finish them all together like so, and do a single crochet. And now we may repeat a mirror of what we did here. Let's do 2 at the back, 7 here as we did here, 2 at the back, and close 4 together. Let's follow this mirror of stitches. One, two, till the end. I have my sequence of 4 stitches to close together, and I have my remaining stitch, my double crochet here. Let's chain 3 again and turn 1, 2, and 3. Here at the row number 6, we may go through these stitches we closed together like so. We did this in another row. Let's do 1 at the back, and now we have 2 in front, one, two, and now we have 7 at the back. Let's go. And now 2 in front, one at the back. Let's go through here like so, two in front, and again let's repeat 7 at the back, 2 in front, 1 at the back, and 1 double crochet to finish the row. 6 is made. Finish it with a double crochet at the end, and now we may chain 3 and turn 1, 2, 3, and row number 7 here you can see the new balloons we will have on our pattern. And now let's do this one. Let's do in front, and now we have those 2 at the back, these 7 are all in front, one, two, and now 2 at the back. Let's go like so, 1, 2. Here we have this one in front, 2 at the back again, and let's repeat here the same sequence we have here till the end, the same. We have 2 stitches remaining on this row. One is in front, this one in front, and my edge stitch, my double crochet, the last one. Let's go to the row number 8. 1, 2, 3, our last row. And now let's do the second stitch at the back, these 2 in front, one, 2, and now we may do these 7 at the back, these 2 in front, this one at the back, these 2 in front, 7 at the back, 2 in front, 1 at the back, and 1 edge stitch, exactly what you are seeing here. Let's go. 7 at the back, 1, 2, finishing row number 8. I did 1 at the back, and now I have my edge stitch here, my double crochet, and our row number 9 is exactly the same as row number 1. 1, 2, 3, and here at this stitch, at the top of the stitch, let's do 4 double crochets on the same loop. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Do you remember what we did here when we started? It's exactly this row. And now we have 2 at the back. Here 7 stitches, finishing all together. 1, 2, the 7 double crochets, finishing all together in front. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's finish all this row. Once you finish your row number 9, is the same as your row number 1, may look like this. I did 7 here on the same loop, 2 in front, I joined 7 together, 2 in front, and the last 4 on the same loop and 1 edge. Share with you this stitch made with the double crochet, the one we did right now. You can see it's more circular, and this one made with a treble crochet. As you can see, it's a bit taller. Let me match them together, and you can see here we have 2 sequences. I have 2 sequences here, And look the difference in size. You can see this one have 1 centimeter more, but both are really beautiful. This is only to give you an idea how it works with a different stitch. I hope this can give you some creativity to do your own fabric. See you at the next time. Thank you for being here.